Single detached na house and lot for as low as 27,000 monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig Financing. Yes, meron tayo niyan dito kay Golden Horizon. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito for another house preview, and for today ipapakita ko sa inyo si Athena Single Detached. Alam mo ba, complete finish na rin to, kaya naman sobrang sulit talaga to kasi lilipatan mo na lang upon turnover. You have a minimum lot size of 112 square meters for a standard inner lot, at syempre may corner lot and end lot unit pa tayong available. May floor area ka na nga din na 94 square meters, kaya naman napaka-spacious talaga ng layout ni Athena. Sobrang na-appreciate ko din na may kwarto to sa baba, perfect sa mga elderly in the family, and of course, pwede rin as office area or guest room. You can reserve this for as low as 25,000 pesos at may free pa tayo na flat screen TV this month. Napakagaan lang din ang down payment natin, kaya for sure, abot kaya talaga si Athena. So watch the full house tour of this best-selling complete finish single detached unit by clicking the YouTube icon on our